Want to add a little sunshine to organizing school papers and work files? This is your answer. These medium binder clips, they turn your frown literally into a smile. These clips show up in these cute, bright colors with these big grins. And honestly, it is so hard to stay grumpy when your paperwork is literally smiling at you. Literally. They're just the cutest thing. We use these for work and school. This pack has 48 of them. Why I just love these so much. The cheerful design, there is nothing like a smiley face staring back at you while you're wrestling with paperwork or homework or whatnot. I like the different colors because the assorted colors helps you separate school stuff from fun stuff or just in case stuff or fun project or do now. These definitely help alleviate the responsibility. They do have a strong grip in their playful look, and they don't mess around. They hold a stack of papers tight without bending or breaking. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. I love them. These are like the class clown of office supplies. I love the colors. I just love everything about them. And they're just ready with a smile when you need it most. But they keep my papers in line while keeping my mood up, and which is more than I could say for most meetings or classroom duties that we have to do every day. I highly recommend these cuteness.